Here we have the Mador's wax heater. I'm going to be unboxing and showing you guys what it's all about. But before we get the box open, you guys can see it has the fashion design, nice little design, temperature control. You guys could see the knob. It's the off, on. We flip it on, and depending on how hot you need your wax, you could go ahead and dial it in right here. And of course, I already mentioned it is a heater, and then it has the fast heating aluminum pot on the inside, so you're not going to have to wait around all day for it. Okay, so we just pulled everything out the box, and of course we have the wax heater instructions right here. Okay, we have the actual heater itself, and I like how it comes with this little top right here for safety reasons. It does come with this little silicone cup under, and of course this is the aluminum can right here, so it's gonna warm up very quickly in here. And then it does come with a couple of these just in case you get a little bit of wax over. It's very easy to clean with these right here. It does come with a scooper. We do have a scooper. It comes with 4 different colors of wax. We have the green, pink, cream, and then that dark blue right there. So it does come with a lot of wax. Each one of these is 3.5 ounces. Okay, it does come with a couple of the nose or ear little sticks for the wax. We have some gloves here. We have the big wooden sticks, and we have the smaller wooden sticks here. And then also included is the pre-wax that you spray on before, and then the after wax that you spray on afterwards. So this is the full kit right here, you guys. I do like everything that comes with it, especially for the price. I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in so you guys could see how it turns on. We have it plugged in now. You guys see the red dot is off. That means it's 100% off. Once we turn it on, you guys could see that the red light does come on, and then you could go ahead and set your temperature, what you want to have it. That way it gets your wax nice and warm, so you could go ahead and use it.